Okay, so this is going to be the skinny on a lot of the counterfeit coins that are out there that are fake silver dollars. You can find a lot of them in circulation in the coin world, unfortunately. A lot of people buy them on eBay thinking they're getting a good deal out of China. They're not. One of the easy ways to do it is to X-ray it. This one is just nickel, copper, zinc, and tin. We'll go to another one here. Pull the trigger. That one they plated with silver, but that's only a very light wash on the surface. That's not all the way through. And if we go to get another one on here, pull the trigger. Very light wash of silver on base metal. Go to another one, pull the trigger. More brass, light plating of silver. So the problem with this stuff is it's not economic to recycle because it's just brass. So it's only it's copper value only. It has a funny clink to it, so it doesn't sound right. It doesn't sound like silver is supposed to sound. When you have silver, there's a neat little test that you can do, which is pretty cool. So here we do have an authentic silver dollar. Hear that sound? Now we'll take one of the bad ones. Tonal differences can be useful in determining whether or not a coin is real or not. You can drop it and do that test as well. The other big dead giveaway on these is the absolute abysmal quality. You can see the pits on the surface, the low quality. Now, a lot of people say, oh, it's not magnetic, it must be silver. Well, yeah, you're right. It's not magnetic because it's brass. There's no iron in it to stick to it. So just because it's not magnetic doesn't mean it's not fake. And there is a lot of this stuff out there. This client sent me a box hoping that it was going to have some silver content to it. Unfortunately, that answer is going to be no. There's not enough value there to process it, being that there's only about 1.5 pounds of material there. It's about $1.50 in copper. So we'll destroy these to get them off the market, but that's all we can do on them. Obviously, we can't give them back for the risk of them being put back out in the marketplace to deceive others. So that's how you determine some of the silver coins that are out there. And a lot of them are just based on common date material, common date stuff. The other thing is the weight is typically wrong on them as well. If we go to weigh a good one, that was going to be a little light, 26.2 grams. But we weigh one of the Chinese fakes, 23 grams. Well, that's a big difference. And the older silver dollars are even heavier, 23 grams. So when they're about 10% light, and that one even has a hole in it, that's another dead giveaway that they're bad and not the correct alloy. So those are some of the things you can do to have an arsenal to protect yourself from getting taken by these things. If somebody's selling it, get a picture on a scale in grams, nothing else. That way you know it's good.